Hey everyone, welcome back to another educational video. Today I'm going to make this video as short as possible because I'm not going to explain something new to you. However, I am expecting from you guys to explain me something. Yeah, I'm expecting from you to explain me something. Actually, this is a kind of challenging video where I'm going to write few lines of code, maybe three or four, and I will ask a question, or maybe there is some kind of error that I will face, and you guys have to tell me that what is this error and why it is happening. So it will be more clear when we write the code. So without wasting further time, let's directly write the code. So this is my main class and I'm using IntelliJ IDEA. First I have to write public static void main ESVN. It will give me the public static void main method automatically. These are some short keywords in the IDEs. Many IDEs give this functionality, many not, but it depends. Well, as you know, that we can save integer values in int format, and also there is one more that is short. It is there is actually length differences in both of these data types. So I am creating, let's say, three different short variables, A, B, and C. If we go through the definition of short variable, what actually it is, let me open my browser and let me write here short data type in Java. So it says that the short data type is a 16-bit signed 2's complement integer. It has a minimum value of -32, 768 and a maximum value of 32, 767 inclusive. Well, if I write integer versus short Java, so it says that short data type holds 2 byte and same definition that we have gone through earlier. But you have to search on it that what actually the difference between both of these data types. Because the problem that I am facing is, let's say int A is equal to 2, int B is equal to 3. And if I say C is equal to A plus B, and I say S out C and run this method, and it says that incompatible type positive lossy conversion from int to short. And if you see here inside the IDE, it gives me the error here that that required type is short, but you are providing integer. Why using addition or any arithmetic operation make two shorts an integer? That is the question. What is the reason that we are getting this error? Why two short variable becomes integer when we add them or perform any arithmetic operation? Let me minus it. Still we are getting the same error. So I hope you understand the problem and try to fix it and tell me in comments that why this problem happened. I will see you in next video.